Jeez. New merch coming soon. Oh man, not mine. They ain't mine. Yeah, they got nits. Yeah, they got herpes. Put that on my head. Now I can see the nits. I can smell them. What are you eating today?
Jollof.
Jollof rice. Oh, come on, man. Some grafting, bro. I don't know what tune and played.
Close on top of the drain of the game. Come on.
I'm getting bullied, man. I'll get bullied around it. I've got to play music. I've got to work. Jeez. Well, that's time to teach you, man.
Cinderella.
Oh. What's up? Is that Cinderella or something with the shoe?
That's exactly what he said.
What did you say that? Shot, mate.
Because I've got to empty that out first, and then these got to go first and oil after.
Body control, mate.
Oh no. Right. Oh my god. So right, our problem, we got a problem before we even started.
What? Who's this?
Yeah, he's our problem. I told him just hoover up the car. Don't worry about scratching it because I think it's getting replaced and repainted. Just hoover it all up, just less dusty to work on. Hoover up inside, it's absolutely disgusting. I said clean out the boot, got in there. So we cleaned out the boot, and then he closed it. So now the boot's closed, and I can't get the power to it because I already removed the battery. The boot is now locked. I have no key. I've ordered a new key, but I don't know when that's going to arrive. So now I'm trying to hotwire it and get some battery power into the boot. So I've got a little latch in there. I've got my camera in there. I'm either going to get the boot open, or I'm going to stuff Ibs in the boot through that tiny little hole. Let's see what goes on. So check it. I've got my camera on it, and I managed to find leaders. So now that as you can see, there's loads of space in here. So now that I know where the earth lead is, where the live wire is, the live terminal for the battery, I'm going to try and connect this onto there, that onto my jump pack. I don't know if I'm going to need an earth or not. Oh my god. So basically, ladies and gentlemen, the root for all your problems comes down to Ibs. Oh, I can't get two arms in there. Oh my god. I'm doing this, but it's so close yet so far. Like hungry hippo style. You know what I mean?
A few inches later.
Oh, I've done it. I've done it. Yo, Ibs, do one thing good in your life. Get me a little rag. He can't figure out if I'm actually to him or not. He's been a bit.
Act, babe.
Huh? Huh?
Yeah.
Just give me a fucking rag, man. My arm's all fucked up because of you, because you locked the fucking boot. Just do something proper, would you? Someone's mad. Oh no! Yo, he made me do that. I actually feel guilty, but you still did fuck up though. Yo, does everyone have Snapchat? What the f is that all about? How'd you show off you're drinking water, wetties? Just be hard like me and drink Red Bull. This is my camera.
It's quite a good bit of kit, that.
Yeah, it's the same one they put up people's asses. Not this actual one. No, I don't think so. Let's slow it down. Let's slow it down. Alright, cool. So that is. Hold on. Yo, Ben. Yo, Ben.
Yeah.
I think I've got it. This is either going to go really terribly wrong, or I'm a fucking genius. And the second one isn't true, so I think it's going to go terribly wrong. Alright, you ready? Oh my god. What? What? It's only this kid, there's power to it now.
One eternity later.
Oh yeah, I didn't even see we had that, man. What are we doing?
Get the logbook.
For
The Lambo, innit? I use the other office up here, top corner, so logbook's there. All around the concrete repaired. They've lined it out, very official. Lorry after lorry, you can tell the neighbours hate us here.
beeping.
How's it going? Crash it. Frozen food, baby. You good?
Yes, thank you yourself.
Oh, good, I've seen it all.
What is up again?
What have you got?
Just that one. That's it.
That one there. Alright, cool, you got time left anyway, so we don't need the whole clip. There we go. Get this logbook. And then get it back. Right, we've got to go back, man. There's always obviously the police paperwork, isn't it? After ruin someone's day, seize their car for illegal tints, saving the world one step at a time, eh? Your windows are too dark. We're going back again now because I didn't get the paperwork, so it's taken 5.5 hours to get out, because that's obviously, you know how busy it always is. And if we go back there again now, thank God knows if we actually get this done today or not. Oh, I found a logbook.
Well, it must be
This one.
Road Traffic Act. As in, I had a seizure when I saw what they did to my fucking car. Dum dum dum.
Right, take two. Let's try this shit again. You are f***ing joking. We're 14 minutes late. I was going to be switching as well, going, we need the car out. Oh, you know what? Let's see Bournemouth Beach show. No, I'll go to Bournemouth. Then close at 3:30, man.
So you can be serious?
I'm being serious.
Alright.
What should I do? Should I go to Bournemouth station or just wait till tomorrow?
Oh, you get Bournemouth, aren't you? On the paper, they're open till 5.
On the paper, I can open till 5, is it? Doesn't even.
Yeah.
Doesn't say nothing about that anyway. Right, Bournemouth it is. In this bullshit traffic now. Hello?
Oh, sorry about that.
That's alright.
You know, I can call you. I can hear you.
Why?
I'm talking my watch.
You're such a band.
But to be fair, my phone was about 10 meters away and I was doing something. So
Oh, man,
it wasn't
sick.
for the first place.
Oh yeah, really? Okay, cool. Yeah, alright, so I'll go to Bournemouth station now, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright, cool, yeah, alright, cool. I've got my Apple Watch, alright, cool. I'll go to Bournemouth station, I'll call you when I'm there. All right. They better be open. They were saying we're not going to get the car today, but we know this this recovery garage.
Yo.
Yo.
Is it good?
Yeah, that's sorted. But she was like,
nice enough.
wow, she in the beginning she had an attitude, then she's all nice after. I don't know why these cops are always like this. Yeah, honestly. Couple bipolar.
Nice. Let me ask them.
Tell them right now I'm going to go there now. Leave this car there.
Yeah, have they told them it's released?
Yeah. But there's no.
Please told them it's released. Yeah.
Yeah, they have. Yeah.
Yeah. The officer's going to be here at 3 o'clock.
Right.
You can kill the tints off at his presence.
You sure?
Yeah, that's the email that we've got.
That's going to take some time to do. And yesterday he was like, I have to do it in advance. So I said to him, I'll get there before to take him off because it leaves all the glue in it. So.
Maybe to prove that you've done it.
He's reading the window again. So I said to him, he goes, you have to, he said, you have to remove them and then make an appointment. And I said, but that's really long. You already had the car for a week. Like, I need the car back. So I said, he goes, all right, you have to remove, he goes, you have to remove them, then call us for an appointment. I said, look, I will get it done before you get there anyway. Then I start my shift at 2, I'll be there at 3. Has to be removed before that. Then I'll come, read the window, and have to go because we're busy.
I can't let you the email that we've got, of course. We've got to go by what the police say.
And this cop here says I don't know nothing about the actual release of the car. The release guys say the car's good to go, then you come in, you can't get it out. Then they're saying that there's nothing to pay, then there's something to pay. Thanks. I don't know what to say, honestly. Look at that. Dangerous condition, or whatever the hell that says. Front nearing, and what the hell is writing? Anyway, insufficient on light. So they took the car off us for a week. I want to give it back. That's exactly it. Everyone's like, oh, the driver was drunk, right? The driver was nothing. They're showing off, saying, we got the driver. He was drunk. He was this. He had no insurance. None of that was true. The driver was in the roller an hour after this car was taken, number one. And number two, the proof is there. He seized it and impounded it for a week because of what I just done. For a week because of some window tints. Like, really. Just goes to show, don't believe everything you read. That's about it, really. That's about it. After all of that, after, I don't know, 16 attempts of going back and forth and everywhere else, it's 4 o'clock, 3:30. I haven't done any work today yet. I have not done any work. He gave me this. Carry this around to prove the prohibition has been lifted. I don't know how other ones roll, but if you're in Bournemouth and you have got tinted windows, I'm telling you straight, just de-tint them. He gave me a warning as well, because if you've got any other cars and they've been tinted, then wow, we'll be having a conversation. Mate, shut up. But anyway, message out to all the other boys in Bournemouth: if you've got your windows tinted, you are a hardcore criminal. You know, you're pretty much Pablo Escobar.